So I want to make a quick video showcasing the Blizzard Sword build, which pops off pretty hard with the Ice Shards enchantment. This is tier 29. Monsters are a little higher level than me. 83, I'm 75. But you'll see I'm literally unkillable. I have infinite resource. I am able to one-shot everything. And I'm usually chilling on double full health bar from the full barrier. There are two unbreakables from teleport and then flame shield. And I've been having a blast with this build. I was really playing a lot of rogue in the beginning. I got the early access and shit, so I had a few days to play on rogue. And I got to the same level, 75 on rogue. I ended up playing a penetrating shot there. It was feeling pretty good. I was critting real hard. 1, 2, 3 mil. But it didn't have the utility and AoE I was really looking for. Okay, sometimes I die to the on-death effects there. I should be dodging that. But yeah, the rogue build just didn't have the utility, you know what I'm saying? So I rerolled this and it's been a blast. I'm gonna say that. But let me just stop talking here and I'll finish up this rift.
I need time to prepare that.
And the main reason that these wards take so long for me to kill is because I can't freeze them and get my ice shards to come out. So those eyes took forever to kill, but we're on the boss here, and you'll see once the boss is staggered, it's a literal one shot. So let's get into. Boom, just like that. The Blizzard Sword. I'm telling you. If you guys like this build and you want to see a Paragon Point Tree build discussion on the armor, leave a like, leave a comment. I'm gonna play this build to 100 before the season 1 starts. That's my goal. And yeah, I'd like to see you guys like and subscribe. Thank you.